It's time for the U.S. vice presidential debate, so it's time to dig up this clip.
I knew Jack Kennedy. Jack Kennedy was a friend of mine. Senator, you're no Jack Kennedy.
To be honest, there haven't been many memorable moments like that at vice presidential debates, and this year's candidates aren't exactly known for their rhetorical brilliance. Hillary Clinton's pick even boasts about just how boring he is, but that doesn't mean they're not controversial. Mike Pence is the governor of Indiana. Before Donald Trump chose him for vice president, he was facing a tough re-election battle as a result of alienating both Republicans and Democrats in his state. He's for lower taxes, slashing the social safety net, is skeptical of climate change, and favors military interventions overseas. But beneath his calm smoothness is his Christian fundamentalism. He questions evolution. He championed a discriminatory bill against the lesbian and gay community. And recently he signed into law a requirement for fetal tissue to be buried or cremated after an early miscarriage or abortion. The law has been successfully challenged in court. One of those leading a campaign of online opposition to the law, who's chosen to remain anonymous, says it's clear what drives Pence.
I think that our governor specifically, and that's why I targeted him, but also some of our lawmakers, I think that they have a sort of religious agenda. I think that they feel like they know better than the women in Indiana.
Hillary Clinton's pick, Virginia Senator Tim Kaine, is also opposed to abortion, however has supported a woman's right to choose, though not federal funding for abortion. He might deliver his home state to the Democratic nominee, key to success in November, and perhaps most importantly, he's trusted by Clinton. But he's particularly controversial among the left of the Democrats due to his attempt to water down regulation over banks, his support of offshore drilling and fracking, and his support of the Trans-Pacific Partnership, a major issue in the presidential campaign. Supporters of the TPP say it will help global free trade. Its detractors say it gives corporations supremacy over elected governments. Kaine now says, like Clinton, he no longer supports it, but it may be too late.
It was certainly a slap in the face to people who thought that the movement behind Bernie Sanders would push her to say that, okay, this is a significant part of the party now, and it needs to be a major part of my administration.
If history is a guide, and barring something spectacular, the debate is unlikely to be remembered for long. However, it could solidify doubts among those already skeptical of the two presidential candidates. Shihab, Rattansi, Al Jazeera, Washington.